Hello everyone, my name is Vedic Dutta and my roll number is 21CH10077. For my DIY assignment, I am going to disassemble an optical computer mouse and show its working in various parts. The first part I would like to show is the outer surface, also known as the skin. The skin contains two flaps which correspond to the two mouse buttons and a hole in between which is made for the scroll wheel. It is made up of plastic. The USB cable is connected to the mouse through the top of the logic board. The USB cable serves a twofold purpose. The first being transfer of signal from mouse to computer and the second being transfer of power from the computer to the mouse. The mouse contains scroll wheel which is made up of hard plastic and contains a rubber surface coating to augment the comfort of the user. It is attached to a rotary encoder which takes in mechanical signals in the form of the angular displacement of the scroll wheel and converts it into electrical or analog signals. The scroll wheel is surrounded by the two mouse buttons and the whole structure is embedded in the logic board. The logic board contains all the essential circular components of the mouse such as the LED bulb, the plastic prism as well as the photodiode. The LED bulb is placed in the horizontal direction, although the plastic prism ensures that its light gets reflected to come out of the hole on the other side in the vertical direction. Let us connect the mouse to the computer now to see it's working from inside. The function of the photodiode is that whenever the light comes out of this hole in the downward direction and falls on the desk, the lights get reflected back and falls on the photodiode, which identifies the changing pattern of the light and converts this into the electrical or analog signal and transfers it to the computer. This is the essential working principle of the mouse. Let us now reassemble the mouse to see it's working from outside. As we can see, the net result of the reflection mechanism of the plastic prism is that the light comes out in directly downward direction. This light is reflected back to the photodiode which is present over here, and the changing pattern is registered as the signal for the interface. An important feature of the optical mouse is that it does not require any special surface for its working because there are very few moving parts involved. The mouse is one of the greatest innovations of the 20th century as it provided a much needed interface between the computer and the human being and thus reduced the gap between the computer and the human being. With this, I would like to conclude my video. Thank you.